Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to write text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Writing text in Canva is a simple process and very customizable. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or the design that you are working. In my case, I'm going to be hovering to a specific design that I have in mind by clicking the create a design. If you don't want to start from scratch, just click on the template section wherein you can start from a business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, and cards and invitations. Now, on the left side bar of your dashboard, I want you to go to the text. All right. On the text section, you would notice that these are going to be your options. You can add a text box right here. So let's create a new page and start from there. You can create from a text box, right? You can click the add a heading. So these are some of your options. You can add a subheading if you want, right? You can, of course, add a little bit of body text. You can also use the magic write if you want. Type in and describe your writing task in 5 words. Click on generate, and what will happen is the AI will help you put in more information here. If you're having a writer's block, you might want to click on that. Click on insert. So these are going to be some of your options here in text box. Now, everything here is highly customizable. You see, if you click on the font, you can choose any of the font that you wanted. All right, this lazy dog, and of course you can also change the color that you wanted from this. Okay, you can change all of them. You also have the option for the gradient if you want, if you have a specific hex code, or you can go to the effects section wherein you can use all the style, shadow, lift, outline, you see, glitch, neon, and you can also have the option for curve. We have a separate video on how to curve text that you might want to check in our channel. Not only that, you can also choose the font style here, right here, if you're not satisfied with the default fonts or text that you have put in on your design. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.